Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, you'll learn how to speak real English at the airport, from claiming your baggage, relaxing in a lounge, to asking for help when something goes wrong. These conversations will help you speak confidently and naturally while traveling anywhere in the world. Learning tip: listen carefully, repeat each line aloud, and practice both roles, traveler and staff. You'll improve your English pronunciation and confidence fast. And don't forget to follow, like, and share if you love learning real-life English conversations. Let's get started.
Excuse me, I just collected my suitcase, but it looks damaged. Could you help me, please?
Of course, sir. I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The side is cracked, and one of the wheels is broken. I think it happened during handling.
I see. May I take a look at your luggage tag, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. Was this your flight from Singapore?
Yes, that's right. Flight SQ472.
All right. Please place your suitcase here so I can inspect the damage. Yes, I can see the crack. I'll file a damage report for you.
Thank you. What happens next?
You'll need to fill out this short form with your name, contact details, and address. We'll repair the suitcase if possible or offer a replacement.
That's fair. How long will it take?
Usually about 7 to 10 working days. If you're leaving soon, we can arrange delivery to your home address.
Perfect. I'm returning home next week, so that works.
Great. Please sign here to confirm the report.
Done. Do you need any photos of the damage?
Yes, I'll take a few for our record. All set. Here's your claim receipt and reference number.
Thank you. Can I check the status online?
Yes, just visit the airline's baggage service website and enter this number. You'll get updates by email, too.
Excellent. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure, sir. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, but we'll make sure it's taken care of.
I appreciate that. Have a good day.
You too, Mr. Parker. Safe travels.
Key phrases: baggage claim and damage report.
Reporting damage.
My suitcase is damaged. One of the wheels is broken. I think it happened during handling.
Filing a report.
Please fill out this form with your contact details. We'll repair or replace your suitcase. Here's your claim reference number.
Follow-up and politeness.
Can I check the status online? Thank you for your help. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Skyview Lounge. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Good afternoon. Sure, here it is. I'm flying to London on flight BA721.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. I see you're flying economy today. Would you like to use the lounge with a one-time pass or credit card access?
I have a priority pass. Does that work here?
Yes, it does. May I see your card, please?
Of course.
Perfect. Everything checks out. You can stay here for up to 3 hours before your flight.
Great. What facilities do you have?
We have a buffet area, hot and cold drinks, a business corner, and shower rooms. Wi-Fi is free throughout the lounge.
That sounds nice. Is there a quiet area for working?
Yes, just behind the glass wall near the back. It has charging ports and comfortable chairs.
Excellent. And will there be any announcement for my flight?
Yes, we'll announce boarding for flight BA721 about 40 minutes before departure.
Perfect. Could I also get a coffee before I sit down?
Certainly. You can help yourself at the barista counter. They serve cappuccino, espresso, and tea.
Great, thank you. Oh, and where are the restrooms?
Just to the left, after the buffet area. Showers are next to them if you'd like to freshen up.
That's wonderful. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure, Mr. Parker. Here's your Wi-Fi password and lounge receipt. Please enjoy your stay.
Thanks. I'll relax for a bit before boarding.
Have a pleasant stay, sir, and a smooth flight ahead.
Key phrases you learned today.
May I see your boarding pass, please? Would you like to use a lounge pass or credit card access? You can stay for up to 3 hours.
Asking about facilities. What facilities do you have? Is there a quiet area for working? Will you announce my flight? Polite interaction.
You've been very helpful. Please enjoy your stay. Have a smooth flight.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm not feeling very well. Could I see a doctor, please?
Of course, sir. Please come in and have a seat. What seems to be the problem?
I've been feeling dizzy since this morning, and my stomach feels a bit upset.
I see. Did you eat anything unusual or travel a long distance recently?
I just arrived from Singapore this morning. Maybe it's jet lag or something I ate on the plane.
All right. Any allergies or medications you're currently taking?
No allergies, and I'm not on any medication.
Good. Let's check your temperature and blood pressure. Your temperature is normal, but your blood pressure is a little low.
That explains why I feel lightheaded.
It could be mild dehydration or fatigue. I'll give you some electrolyte water and an anti-nausea tablet.
Thank you, doctor. Is it safe to fly in a few hours?
Let's see how you feel after resting for about 20 minutes. If you still feel dizzy, I'd recommend postponing your flight.
Understood. I'll sit here for a while.
Good idea. You can rest in that recliner. I'll check on you shortly.
After 20 minutes.
How are you feeling now, Mr. Parker?
Much better, thank you. The dizziness is gone.
That's great. Make sure you drink plenty of water before your flight.
I will. Is there any fee for this service?
No, airport first aid is complimentary for passengers. Here's a note confirming you're fit to fly.
Thank you so much. You've been really kind.
My pleasure, sir. Safe travels and take care of yourself.
Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Requesting help.
I'm not feeling well. Could I see a doctor, please?
What seems to be the problem?
I feel dizzy and my stomach hurts.
Medical advice.
Your blood pressure is a little low.
It might be dehydration or fatigue. I'll give you some water and a tablet.
Aftercare.
You're fit to fly.
Drink plenty of water before your flight.
Thank you for your help.
Excuse me, I think I left my phone at the boarding gate area. Can you help me, please?
Of course, sir. Please don't worry. We'll do our best to find it. Could you tell me where exactly you think you left it?
Yes, it was at gate C12 about 30 minutes ago. I was sitting near the charging station.
Got it. What kind of phone is it?
It's an iPhone 14 Pro, silver color with a black case. The lock screen has a photo of my dog.
All right. Did you board your flight from that gate?
No, actually, my flight leaves later tonight. I realized it was missing after I grabbed a coffee.
Okay. I'll contact the cleaning staff and gate agents right now. Please wait a moment.
Sure, thank you.
Good news, Mr. Parker. The staff at gate C12 just found a silver iPhone matching your description.
Really? That's amazing! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll just need to verify ownership before we hand it over. Could you unlock it for me once we bring it here?
Of course, no problem.
All right. It'll arrive in about 10 minutes. In the meantime, may I take your passport or ID for record?
Sure, here's my passport.
Thank you. Okay, everything's set. Once your phone arrives, you'll sign this release form.
Perfect. I really appreciate how quickly you handled this.
My pleasure, sir. We know how stressful losing a phone can be.
That's true. It has all my travel details on it.
Don't worry, you'll have it back soon. Here you go, Mr. Parker. Please check if it's yours.
Yes, that's it. Thank you so much, Sophie.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful trip, and maybe keep your phone in your pocket next time.
Definitely. Thanks again. Key phrases you learned today. Reporting a lost item.
I think I left my phone at the gate.
It was at gate C12 near the charging station.
It's an iPhone 14 Pro with a black case.
Verification process.
Could you unlock it for me once we bring it here?
May I see your passport or ID?
Please sign this release form.
Polite expressions. Thank you so much for your help.
I really appreciate how quickly you handled this.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful trip.
Great job! You've just learned how to speak English in real airport situations, from lost luggage to lounge check-in, from first aid to finding lost items. Learning Chip. Practice these dialogues aloud. Don't just listen. Speaking is the key to fluency and confidence in real travel English. If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and follow for more English speaking and listening practice every week. See you in the next Airport English Journey.